Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Team, I know I ain't shoot a video in a minute, but been busy with life. So we still playing Jane. Keep y'all up to snuff on what the game plan is gonna be, right? So Mishimoto radiator, Mishimoto hoses, upper, lower radiator return line or reservoir line. Engine, cold air intake, hydro shield. Optima battery, but we're gonna do the relocation and put this shit in the trunk. That's what we're going with that. Got some new headlights. I'm waiting for the stuff to come in from Japan so I can get funky. These are gonna be regular. These are like the backup headlights. So we'll leave these, but the joints that I have back at home in New York, we're gonna hook those up. That's the game plan as I foresee it. Just to keep y'all in the loop on exactly what we have going on. See, I got the high temp joint for my exhaust, right? So definitely painted this whole joint so it has that time to cure. Should be coated nice. We have all the goodies for the most part. Still missing the essentials from over here, but here we have the goodies. So y'all remember that ECU reflash? Got that. I have my light module with the switch. For when I do my headlights, I actually need to take this home with me. Then we have everything else, you know what I mean? Battery tie down, nah, that goes. That made it through the smash and crash. Got the stainless steel clutch line. Take that spaghetti shit out again, you know the vibe. Let's see, what do we have here? Probably some gaskets. Yes, gaskets. Front and rear motor mounts, brand new. Well, this is one that came out with my old joint. This shit actually survived. If you saw my old car, you saw that the whole front frame was actually pushed in and the mount itself is in perfect condition. It's dirt, no cracks, none of that anywhere. So good to go in that aspect. A few other goodies in there to get around to. My CV axles is good. Yeah, team. Ready to really do this swap. Get this engine back in here. It's been a minute. For real, for real. Miss that power. So we'll get that done. Get everything up to snuff. Y'all know the vibe. Yeah, team, y'all see what it is. All shreddy. They should honestly be the last oil change before that HR swap. I see you over there, lady. Yeah, let's get to it. 1, 2, 3 thing, nothing too crazy. But yeah, team. Last little oil change. Then get ready to get the last things together so we can get right. You already know. All right, team, so let's lock in, Mo. Let's get the engine out the way because we're going to need this hoist in about a week or so. So, yeah. Just got a tire. See if we can't wrap the front here. So, got my wrap. Just need to get a few more stainless steel zip ties. And we'll be good to go. Wrap this before I drop it on the tire. Come back around this side. I think we got a wrap right in here. And we should be good in that aspect, team. I mean, for the most part, you see the engine itself, transmission side, a little dirty from the coolant, whatnot, what have you. But nevertheless, engine is still 110%, bro. Know what I mean? I'll go over it again with a fine-tooth comb just to make sure everything is copacetic and on point. But as far as some light rewiring, got my stuff set up just so this is really about to be plug and play. Once I drop it down, I'll paint this coolant piping over again, mask everything off, have it nice and neat. And yeah, see if I can't get some brake cleaner and just clean off the bottom, clean off this part of the transmission, get that nice and pretty. See if I can't wrap it, but this looks good down here. I'm not even gonna trip. Just get this rewrapped, this section here, and then when I get the engine set straight on the tire, I will come around and wrap the back, because it looks like we need something light right here, or maybe not, but yeah, just to cover that up, and everything else should be good, team. Should be all right. So gotta bend this back, but be all right. Be okay. This shit is still intact. Let's wrap this whole joint again. Just pull this out. I'll wrap this, the polyester tape, to make sure that's good. This right here. And yeah, looking alright. Survival! Yeah! Good shit. So, alright, team. Wavy. Let's finish getting to work. Alright, team. Man, my word, B. Got my shit coming in. Finally, kinda amp. Like, ready to go. So, back to roughly where we started. Nishimoto radiator coming in. Hoses coming in. My 25-foot OFC wire, so I can do the battery relocation. That's what we about to get to. Snatch all of this shit out, tie it up, make it look real nice. We're gonna relocate that somewhere over here. Cold air is coming in too. Get that to come down. Take the bumper off, take this headlight off, so we can get the wiring to look nice and neat. And let's get to cleaning this up and painting that, so that could go in the trunk. Already loosened the bolts here to take these off. This will be the main connector I'll be using, being that this isn't connecting to anything. So take this off. This will be the main joint. Got my connectors, got my posts in the back, got the grommets, RTV silicone in the bag. So kind of got everything covered. Just waiting for everything to come in. Will be wavy. Let me finish prepping, finish taking all of this shit out. But y'all know what time it is, team. Y'all already know. Stay locked in. So shaking, team. We looking good. We looking real fucking good. Nishimoto radiator, cold air intake, Nishimoto hoses. Engine, I did finish rewrapping the front header. Might have to do this whole shit over again just from the way that this shit is rubbing in here. So I might order some more header wrap. Take that from there. Let's move it on around. Yes. OFC came in. Let's get it, baby. So you already know what time it is. Got everything set up. Battery tie down. Last thing is just to get my Optima battery, but we got everything popping, team. Everything coming together. Battery, made the holes and stuff. Not sure if y'all can see, but made 1, 2, 3 holes. Got my 3 screws. Gonna go with some Loctite just so that'll get held down proper. Wash this off and finish up with the battery tray. Give it another nice light coat of red, and you already know, whoop-dee. We in here, baby. Let's go. Stay locked in. All right, team, this is what came out. This is the, like, white bracket that's gonna hold all of this wiring. This is the bracket here that's gonna hold down your battery tray. Negative battery terminal. Weight reduction! So, right now, just cleaning everything up. Taking electrical tape first. We're gonna go over everything. Then we got like this heat resistance polyester tape type joint. It's a good look, nice little pickup. And yeah, team, we just gonna clean it up. You know, we gotta keep this section ready for something. I don't know too much, but a little something right here. Let's go. All right, team, what you know about? Cold air, we in there. Got the battery relocation. Shit missing. Ooh, baby. I wonder what's about to go there soon. I don't know. We got that battery relocation popping. I mean, straight through the firewall. Got it set up. Firewall. Whoop. You see shit work. Ah. Wire comes through the firewall down. I ran it through the mat. Straight through the side here, but there's like a gap underneath here for my 06 joint. So I'm able to run the shit there, ran it through. I actually ran it up through here. Ran it through here, running it. Loosened up the seat, took this off, ran it through the side there. To booyah. Ran it up. So last thing I'm really missing is my Optima battery, but terminals, everything legit. Let's get this shit started and see what we sound like, team. Let's go. We got life, team. Sounding good. Sounding good, sounding good. So, battery relocation, 3.0. Check. We looking wavy, baby. You already know. Hold it in here. Checking to see if I feel any leaks, but as of right now, we sound alright. I'm gonna save the radiator and the hoses for another time, but as of right now, baby. Tone back. Let's go. Let's go. Everything looking alright. We'll wait till I get my volt stabilizer back from Japan. See if we can line it up on one of the sides and then lock it in up top here. Then I'll be able to see the voltage when I open the trunk, whatnot, what have you. Keep it popping like that, but yo, we wavy, team. Battery relocation a success. Cold air intake install a success. Only thing that's left is to take this surfer for a drive, baby.